Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will have another quiz, and here we have the 2 raised to power 10 plus 2 raised to power 10 and equals to 2 raised to power x. And here we have to find out the value of the x. So we will solve this quiz, and after that we will find like which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. And now let's start the topic. Okay. Uh, this uh, expression we can solve through a multiple solution. Here we will solve this expression by using two methods. Method one is very simple, which is you can say childish or kiddish method. So you can apply this method as well to find out the answer of this expression. And another method is basically the logarithm method, which we will apply here and find out the answer is same using the logarithm method or not. Basically, because we can apply multiple solution here to find out the value of x, and the all solutions have the answer same. So now first we will apply the simplest method, which is very simple. This expression contains like 2 raised to power 10 plus 2 raised to power 10 equals to 2x. Now we can take the common from this expression, like this one is same one. So you can say 2 raised to power 10 common here, and after that we will have 1 plus 1 here remaining here. So 2 raised to power x. So here we take common. Now again we will solve like 2 raised to power 10, and here we will add 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? And equals to 2 raised to power x. So here we did addition. Now these two numbers are multiplying, like you can write like this way: 2 raised to power 10 multiply by 2 raised to power 1. Because we do not have any power, we did not show any power here, so it means we have the power is 1 here. So they are multiplying because of implied multiplication, as we do not have any multiplication sign, but both number are multiplying each other. So we can give reference here implied multiplication. Which means that you do not have any multiplication sign between two numbers. So now, according to the a rule which is base is same, like this base and this base is same, like base is here is 2. This one is base, and this one also a base. So base is same, power x. We can apply here 2 raised to power 10 plus 1 here. And again, we will write this part is as it is. So here we can say like a raised to power m and a raised to power n. So we can write like a plus m plus n, a raised to power m plus n. Now we can add both of them. So we can write 2 raised to power 11. You can say here base is same, power add. Now we can give 2x to power x. Here we give addition. Right, in the power. Now we can compare both bases, like this one and this one are same. So we can compare this and this. Like both can be compared. So here we can same basis same, and give the reference here. Bases are same, so power can be compared. So you can say x equals to 11. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope you understand. This is very similar, simple method. I give the reference here, like you can say, like if you revise this question, so you can see the what we did in this in each line. Now we have another method, which is a lengthy method, you can say, and basically this method is the base of to solve this method. So now we have 2 raised to power 10 plus 2 raised to power 10 equals to 2 raised to power x. Here we have the bases are 2. So what we will do, we will take log 2 both on both sides, right? So now we will take log 2 on both sides, like 2 raised to power 10 plus 2 raised to power 10 to log 2 2x. Now we have to solve. Now we can take common in this terms, like in this term we will take common. So we will write log 2 2 raised to power 10 1 plus 1, and here we will apply the log property. We will take power outside and write 2 raised to power log 2 base 2. So here we will give the reference like log property log a raised to power an equals to n log a, right? So here we will solve again log 2 2 raised to power 10 multiplied by 2. Similar method as above. And here we have x, and this part is, we will say 1. Any log, any number log which has the base, same base, so we will have the answer is 1. If you have 2 here, so and you have the log 2, so equals to 1. If you have 4 here, and we will take the log 4, so which is equals to 1. So by the way, this one called power law, power rule, right? And this one called log of same number as base, right? This one and this one is same, so we will say like equals to 1, and you can write like log a equals base a equals to 1, right? So now we have next, we will go next to next step. Now we will add base is same, power add. So we will say 10 plus 1 here, and here x1 the x. Again we will add bases here 2 raised to power 11 x. Now we will take power rule here 11 log 2 raised to power 2 equals to x, and we will give the reference here log a power n. Power rule basically we will apply n log a base a. Now we will multiply 11 multiplied by 1 and n equals to x. Here we will give the references log A base A equals to 1. Because of this rule, like log of same number as a base, it is equal to 1. So now x, 11 1 11 equals to x. You can say x equals to 11 here. So I hope you understand the answer of this rule is 11 and above answer is also 11. But the method 1 is very simple and method 2 basically is the standard method to solve this type of question. So I hope you understand, and if you see the answer list, so the option A is a correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. Don't press the bell icon so you will get the latest video from my channel. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.